once if you have these pretensions about media man and you start collecting, then you sabihin mo yung itong asawa niya, nagkakalat, inaano ng ibang lalaki, then you include the daughter, talagang mamatay ka. No amount of press organizations or press institute, no amount of constitutional guarantees there. No amount of European idiots coming over just to shout. Talagang mahiritan ka. Kung katapos ng election, you continue to attack a certain guy, certain politician, or you want to, yung mga bangko, hingihingan mo na pa, and even asking money from bank managers, uttering, huwag kayong bangko na yan kasi mukhang delikado na, hindi naman totoo. If you go into the criminal side, you cease to be a media practitioner. If you go into criminal activity, you cease to be a journalist. You are simply a criminal. And you are for the taking. Pagka ganun. Philippine contemporary time.